This is the latest addition to my GE Box Fan collection. It's also my first full-size plastic-bladed model. I've got a little one right here, but the rest of my full-size GEs are the metal-bladed style. I believe this is a W22, although I don't know for sure because the sticker on the bottom is missing. It is 3 speeds, non-reversible. The cord is still in good shape, it's not frayed. Here's the speed switch. It is a 3-speed, starts out on low like all GEs. And the cabinet on this, I noticed, is a little bit thinner than the cabinets on the metal-bladed ones. But this is still from the 1960s, and it's still a very substantial fan. It's built very well. And it's pretty heavy for a plastic-bladed fan. It's probably, well, I shouldn't say probably, it is, I think, the most powerful plastic-bladed box fan out there. It's more powerful than the first Gen S223, and it's almost, honestly, I think it's really close to the metal-bladed versions. The volume of air that this thing moves is incredible. It is unfortunately missing the handle. It would have had the same type as this little mini one. But for the most part, it's in decent shape. There's not a whole lot of rust. Most of the paint is still there. It's got some tape residue on it in areas for whatever reason. I don't know why somebody would have put tape on it, but oh well. I did have to bend the Venturi ring back into the proper position because the blades were hitting it sometimes. So that's fixed. And yeah, I'm going to turn it around now and show you the back. Here's the back. There's the motor right there. It's a 3-amp motor, and it's pretty clean. I did vacuum it out. I vacuumed out the rest of the fan as well, and I took the blade off and washed it, so it's nice and clean. Yeah, one thing I'm noticing that's different between this one and the older metal-bladed ones is that there's no support going across here, which is what these screw holes are for. It's just 2 screws in this one, which I guess is fine. Unfortunately, these rubber things on the front grille are pretty much deteriorated, so it does rattle. And when I took the blade off and put it back on, it kind of threw the balance off. It was very smooth, but now it wobbles. So that's unfortunate, but I'll get it fixed eventually, I'm sure. Probably just the way it's on that rubber grommet. But anyway, here's low. It's pretty quiet. Medium. And high. It is super powerful. It's got a great spin down time. As you could see, it was blowing that one. Here is the startup sound on low. Here's startup sound on medium. And it's actually pulling this fan. And here's high. Alright, that'll do it. Thank you for watching.